Hey dudes, how you doing? It's Saint. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all healthy. So today I am going to show you something that has been an issue for me for a while, and I just found the fix. So I just want to share it out into the world. This is not one of my regular videos, but I just wanted to give back, you know? So for those of you who have iPhones and PCs, this is going to be very useful for you because I ran into the issue where I can't really get my videos into my computer. I would always run into an error. I'm going to show you what that error is. So I'm going to try and, I'm going to try and import, not that video. Let's try and import this one. So I get this error that says the device is unreachable. So it turns out it's really just a setting in your iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the screen recording on my iPhone so we can get this started. So the solution is fairly simple. You just go to your settings and then you just scroll down until you find Photos. Press Photos, and then at the bottom there's an option that says transfer to Mac or PC, and it's set to automatic by default. You just change it to keep originals. After I change this setting, I'm going to disconnect my phone from my computer, and I'm going to connect it again. Just press allow, and let's go ahead and try this again. So I'm going to go here. And the file I wanted, let's say we just want to get this one. It's importing fine now, and I'm not having any issues. Let's try and do the same kind of like video I was trying to do before. So it was this one, right? Let's go ahead and do that. And now it's transferring flawlessly. So yeah, there's your fix, guys. Wanted to make this short, so I'm not gonna feed you a lot of bullshit. And this is just basically how you fix it. So hopefully this was helpful to someone. Alrighty, y'all take care now.